Hey, good morning. My name is Victor Aponte from MOG Improvement. We're in a really good project, a major renovation here in Dallas, Georgia, and we're going to check it out. Come on in. We relay out actually all this house, new framing, new electrical on this level, new plumbing, new HVAC. As you see, we open this wall in here on the stairwell. We actually move a couple of walls right here. We put new beams right here using LVLs. All the work that we do, basically, we do using engineer reports. We follow basically the instructions that they provide. As you see in this big opening in here, all the new ceiling is going to be installed with the new insulation. Right now, we move actually all these walls that this is an old house, and the layout usually most likely is really like a small maze. We open this concept, as you see, you can see right now from the front door or the new kitchen area. All new electrical, we move in some places in the HVAC one. But as you see, we're going to do new flooring in here, new trim, new ceiling, new drywall, and new insulation. This is going to be the family room. We're going to replace the exterior doors. This is almost ready for inspection. The inspection process here in Podin and in general, for your knowledge, is you pull the permit, you're going to have electrical, plumbing, and HVAC roofings inspected. You do the framing inspection, insulation, and at that point, you're going to be ready to put the drywall up, and you're going to have just final inspection for each trade and the final inspection for the building final. My name is Victor Aponte from MOG Improvement. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel because we have a lot of more updates for you guys. Thanks a lot.